So this final little drill that we're going to do is to help you understand the importance of timing and angles. Because, like I say this a lot in class, you've got to take what you're given rather than what you want. And that means you have to respond to how your opponent is positioned on top and what they're doing. So there's kind of two big parts to this. And I'll make it as simple as I can. When your opponent puts a hand in the collar, they know the side that you're going to potentially bridge them because they have this committed. The more his weight is on the other side, the harder the bridge is going to be. And what I'm using is I'm using a line from my head to kind of assess where his body is. So you can see Luke's head is clearly on this side of my body. Now that means if I bridge, it's going to be like a difficult bridge because of the weight distribution. So I probably don't want to bridge yet, I just want to chill out. The perfect timing to bridge is as your opponent's weight moves back across the middle line. Now when might he do that? If he goes with his second hand, right? When he goes with the second hand, there's a movement. And I can catch the second hand, and now I just help him go the way that he was already going, okay? So the drill is, the partner on top is always going to try and put two hands on the collar. We have to work out which way to bridge. Now, I'll show you a different variation of that. I trap, but now when he puts his hand, he keeps his hand on this side. And probably it's more natural to go under the hand. So if he comes under this hand, like this, see that? He's put his second hand, but now I wouldn't bridge him this way. It's way too difficult. But this way is super easy to bridge him.
Why? Once you've caught him.
Because his weight's there.
He's going to pull across too.
Because his weight's across on that side.
Okay.
So you can make the rule as simple as this. Whichever side your opponent's head is on is the side you'd love to bridge them to, as long as you have that hand trapped. So I kind of have this, but I don't want to bridge him here. It's way too difficult. But now here, super easy, right? So that's the two-hand drill. And then the other way you can feel this is with a one-hand drill. So right now, see the line? His weight's this way. Very difficult bridge. But if I move my body back underneath him, I just made an easy bridge again. So before we bridge, we have to assess where your opponent's weight is, okay? So go and play around with that a little bit. One hand, two hand. Basically, you're just looking for where the weight is for the easiest bridge you can make.